Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet where I discuss all things planners, fountain pens, and fountain pen inks. Today we are planning in my passport notebook, or TN, or whatever it is. This is basically an A6 Hobonichi notebook that I've cut down to passport size. And then this cover is from Bujo Planner. I decided probably in July or mid-July that I wanted to try out the passport size. And I didn't really have anything that was preventing me from doing that. And normally I'm not the type of person to just suddenly in the middle of the year go, I want to try a whole new system. I'm very much of the, I stay with the same system for the whole year. So this was very uncharacteristic of me, but I'm so glad that I did this because I'm really enjoying being in this size. So here I am, I've already drawn the lines in. I wanted to do it off camera because the last few times that I've done it, I've made the mistake of drawing the line in. And as you can see, I still made that mistake, regardless of whether or not I was actually on camera. So yeah, okay. And then here I've got a little Post-it or sticky note that I got from Stationery Pal. This was sent to me like ages ago. And it's these Memo Me sticky notes. And they come in different colors. They're really cute and perfect for pre-planning. All right, and what I'm going to be planning with today or decorating with today are some of these. These are the washi or the pet tape from the washi tape shop, and this one is called the Stamped Wings washi tape sticker set. I do have an affiliate link in the description below, and you can use Karina10 for 10% off these washi. Let's get started. Okay, what I'm first going to do is actually choose one of the bigger stickers, like the bigger stamp stickers. Too big. Too big. Oh, too big. Oh, that one might work. But I also need to know how much room I need for my habit tracker. So I need like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's say I need 11 spaces. And if I put this in here, it does not leave me with 11 spaces. Nope, it does not. It leaves me with, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spaces. Could I make that work? I'm sure I could. Could I make that? I could, because there's one, yeah. Okay, let's try it. That's one possibility, that sticker. Or, oh, that one's pretty as well. Or I could do like a couple of the mini ones, or I could just do these butterflies. Everyday, ooh, that's pretty too. But I don't know. Why is this hard? Why is choosing a sticker to put down on a spread so difficult? Let's just pick one. All right. I'm placing it down here. Yeah, like choosing a sticker is difficult, and it shouldn't be, but it is. So let's do this right now. We'll do my habit tracker down here. So we'll do workouts, and then the days of the week here. And then we'll do my actual habits here. So where is my pilot vanishing point? This has an extra fine nib, and the days of the week will be Monday. Well, not will be, but they are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then along the top, we'll have my habits. So I keep track of taking my vitamins, listening to my audiobook, my nighttime routine, and no stationery spend. And that involves using I'm just grabbing this from the other side here, my clean color dot markers. So let's go ahead with those. I'm trying to figure out how, in my planner setup for 2026, how I want to keep track of my habits. Oops, wrong side. Because I want to keep track of them weekly, because it seems to be the lowest barrier for me in keeping track of these. But I also want to set up a few pages at the beginning of my passport planner to see all of my habit tracking for the year. And maybe it's something that I do both in the weekly and as part of like the overall year, just to see how well I've done. Okay, that fits really well in there and looks really cute. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is do the dates. And let's turn this. Wait, how did I do the dates last time? I'm still getting into the hang of everything. So I did the dates with black, and I've got the dates here, making sure I'm actually in frame. How is it that it is already coming to the 1st of October? I can't believe how fast September went. And then I'll write the days of the week using my Esterbrook Model J. This also currently has Dominant Industry Maple in it right now. Monday. Maybe I'll rotate between the two just to add a little bit more color. Wednesday and Saturday. And then I'll also use my SD, which has a reverse architect nib on there. And this currently has Robert Oster Saguaro Green. And Thursday, oh, I just placed my hand over where I wrote Friday and Sunday. Okay, lovely. Now, the thing is, though, now that I've written that in, I'm thinking, oh, I was going to write my work schedule with one of these, and now it's going to look weird if I do it. So I think, but there's so many different colors in here that I could make that work. Or bring that in. I'm going to bring in my narwhal in the Voyage Tromso. This has Pannonia's Morning Morpho from Stationery Universe. Lovely, lovely shimmer ink. I'm just going to agitate that a little bit to write in my work schedule. So this week, work, how am I doing this? Work, the usual 9 to 5:30. And Tuesday is actually a holiday here in Canada. It's the Day of Truth and Reconciliation. But I am working that day, actually only till 5. And then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and those are my appointments that I need to keep track of. And Friday, perfect. Then for things that I do need to properly remember, I'm going to add it with my other pens here. So Wednesday, I am doing a live and then Thursday, Robin has, switching pens all the way here, Robin has physio. And then I haven't decided yet if I'm going to go to Weight Watchers that day. And Saturday is actually quite busy. Saturday I've got, and I'm going to do this with the, yeah. So Saturday's quite busy because I have an MRI. And then Henry has swimming at 11:15. And then I am meeting my friend Adrian for lunch. I'm thinking we're meeting at 12:30, but yeah. And then my sister and I have to finalize this, but I'm staying over at her house for a sleepover. So yay. And then we're going to watch Downton Abbey. And I haven't decided on what time that is going to be. Then Sunday, I don't know what the plans are yet. I don't think we have any plans on Sunday. So that's working out well so far. Do I need that anymore? No, I don't. Then let's see. Now, because I've done like the basic stuff that I need in here, let's go ahead and do the weather. So for the weather, it's now fall, but funny enough, Monday is supposed to be very, very sunny. And then Tuesday is cloud. The reason that I keep track of the weather is just for planning purposes. I like being able to know. Thursday is sunny. Friday is sun and cloud. And Saturday is raining. And Sunday is sun and cloud. This stamp, I have a link to it in the description below. This is from AliExpress. So the temperature, Monday is actually supposed to be beautiful. The high is supposed to be 25 Celsius with a low of 11. It's that time of year where the temperatures vary greatly between the morning and night. Then Tuesday is a high of 19 with a low of 11. Again, Wednesday, high of 16, low of 9. Thursday, high of 17 with a low of 7. Saturday, high of 12. Ooh, chilly. With a low of 7. Sunday. Oh gosh, I messed this up. This was supposed to be a high of 17 with a low of 7. 17. This is a high of 12 with a low of 7. And then Sunday is also a high of 12 with a low of 2. Getting chilly. All right, so now I can add in, I guess, my to-do lists for the week. And Monday is going to be my usual meal plan, order groceries, Tuesday, we have to put out the garbage. And Wednesday, nothing on my to-do list. Thursday will be to pick up groceries. And Friday, oh, hold on. Just checking my previous weeks here. So I did the bed sheets there, so I don't have to do them there. Okay, then I feel, I know sometime this week, possibly Friday, possibly Sunday, one of these days, I do have to, maybe I'll just put it on Friday. Goodbye, Henry. I am so sorry, my mic cut out there, and I'm not sure when it cut out. But then this green butterfly here. And then probably put one more down here. Sorry about that. The microphone cut out and lost power. So now I am using the microphone on my phone. And I'm going to grab a tiny butterfly from here. Oops. One thing I love about the washi tape shop washi is that many of them are already pre-cut because I am lazy. I don't want to sit there and fussy cut a whole bunch of stickers if I don't have to. And you can already see how clumsy I am. And that did not go down straight, and that is okay. Let's see here. Oh, this one's pretty. put this down here. And actually, I really like these smaller stickers. They fit really well in here. Let's actually just put this down here. Perfect. All right. Lovely. Okay, so that is it for my plan with me today using the winged, oh gosh, now I forget the name of the collection, but I did mention it towards the beginning of the video. I really like how this looks. I love how colorful it is, but I just love how compact the Passport planner is and how it's just working out well for me, and I'm so happy with it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thank you again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.